Good morning, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to create a texture frame border around your photo in Photoshop. On the screen you'll see the example that we'll be creating together, and basically what we're going to have is just an image, and then we're going to create this texture frame border around this image, and then we're going to create a drop shadow around that frame border. So let's go over to another tab with the image already open. Our first step is to change the canvas size. So we're going to go up to Image, Canvas Size, and then we're going to add 300 pixels around this image. So we're going to select Pixels, 300, height. We're going to keep it relative, and then the extension of that size of the canvas size, we're going to make it the color white. We're going to click OK, and as you can see, it added an additional 300 pixels around this image, and it gave it the color of white. So our next step is to create a new layer. So let's go over to the Layers panel, click on the new layer icon, and now we want to create a black border. So we're going to select the rectangular marquee tool. We're going to select the entire image, and now within the selection you want to right click on it and select stroke. We're going to choose 100 pixels. The stroke color will be black. The location of that stroke will be on the inside. So in other words, it'll create it from the top down here. And we're going to select blending mode, multiply, the opacity 100%. Click OK. As you can see, it added the stroke on the inside of the image, and it added 100 pixels. Now we want to press Ctrl D to deselect this selection. This is on a PC. Now we want to go over here to this Layers panel, and as you can see, this additional layer has this black border around it. So our next step is to open up our texture image. And now all you have to do is just drag and drop it on here. And now it's in free transform mode already. We're going to select shortcut key Shift, Alt, and click and drag. This is on a PC. Now press Enter to accept that change, or come up here to the options bar and check that tick mark. And now we want to create a clipping mask. So a clipping mask is going to be tied to that layer right below it, which is this frame border here. So we're going to right click on the texture image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. So as you can see, now the black border is now covered with this texture image. So now what we want to do is we just want to create a drop shadow effect around this frame border now. So we're going to select this frame layer, or this layer right here, and we're going to right click, open up blending options, and now we're going to select a drop shadow. And at this point you can make your adjustments as you see fit. So I'm just going to select blending mode, multiply. I'm going to select the black drop shadow. The opacity I'm going to decrease to 90%. This angle I'm going to change to like 125. And then again, these figures you can adjust. to make the drop shadow effect of your choice. So I'm just going to click OK. And that's it. And that's how you can create a frame border around your photo using a texture image. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you today to create a new skill set in your Photoshop editing skills. Stop by often because I upload multiple videos a week. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video uploaded. And please like, share, and comment, because that helps out the community as well, and it helps me to create new ideas also. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.